Did we get a Christmas tree?
Cheese.
Where's the tree? Show me. Where's the tree? Do you like the Christmas tree? Do you like it?
Oh.
Is it nice? Okay. Callan, no. Don't hit the tree. We're gonna put ornaments on the tree and lights, pretty lights. And Greta's got an ornament right there. Cool. Is that the first ornament of Christmas? That sounds good.
Look at this.
No.
Cool.
Wait.
Helen? No.
No more, buddy.
Wait.
No more. Come here.
No.
Let's see that one. Ooh, that's a nice one. What are you looking for? Cool. Callan, what are you eating? Thanks. What are you eating? A banana. Apple? Is it good? Can you say Merry Christmas? Who likes apples? Say, I do. Callan, is Greta a choo-choo train? Greta, should we call you Percy?
Yeah. You do.
Are you tickling? Callan, are you going choo-choo?
Wait.
Do round and round the garden. Do round and round the garden on Greta.
Ram, sham, sam. Ram, sam, sam. Goody, 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 ram, sam, sam.
No. Oh, ow. Stop it. Oh.
I think he thinks you're a piano. So, trees all trimmed. What's your favorite ornament that you got to put up?
Yes.
Oh, that one?
Yes.
Cinderella?
Yes.
She's pretty cool. Did you have fun trimming the tree?
Yes.
It looks very pretty. Even though the lighting is super bad, you can't really see it. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry